Hello, welcome to Design in Tech Hub YouTube channel, and welcome to another episode of an amazing video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add lens flare to your design, which is one of the best ways to make your design pop and attractive. Adding this lens flare to your design, we'll be using a smartphone app, which is Adobe Photoshop, the 2019 version app. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So, like you can see on the screen, this is the app we'll be using. This is the app we'll be using. It is Photoshop CC. This is the app icon. This is the mode version of the app. So I'll be putting the link to download the mode app version in the video description. So once you click on the link in the video description, you can easily get redirected to where you will download the mode app version of the app. So let's dive into the app and look into its amazing interface. So once you've entered the app, you can see this is the first interface you'll be having. So looking here, you can see we have two icons below here. The first icon is for importing image into the Adobe Photoshop app, and the second one is for exporting image from the app into your phone to save your designs. The designs you edit here, to save it into your phone. That is what the second icon is for, which I'll be showing you how it works later in the video. So once you want to import your design, just click on this importing icon, then you click on photo library. Your folders open up like this, so you click on any folder you want to select your design from. For me, I'll be choosing Pixel app, which is where my design is. So I'll just slide down. So select the design, then you click on the add button. So once you click on the add button, the image is imported into the app. The image is now on our interface now. After you've imported the image, the next thing is to add the lens flare. As I said earlier, we want to add lens flare on this design. So to add lens flare on this design, what you have to do is to click on this. You click on this. Once you click on this, you can see we have this plus icon button. So you click on the plus icon button, then you click on photo layer, which is the first button on this drop down menu. So you click on photo layer, then you select photo library. So you locate any folder where you have the image we want to import now, the lens flare image. I'll be putting the link to download this image in the video description. So I will select the lens flare image. Then you can see it has been added as another layer into the Adobe Photoshop app, which is another layer on our design now. So you click on this checkmark icon. After clicking on the checkmark icon, just click on FX on the top like this. Then you select Gaussian blur or the under basic like this. You see we have stylized, we have artistic, we have photo. So you select basic. Then you click on Gaussian blur. Increase the Gaussian blur, you increase it to 128. Then you click on this checkmark icon. We are doing this we want to remove the black background on the image. We want to remove the black background beneath the lens flare icon. So the next thing to do is to click on this. Then you click on this layer icon here. You click on this. You click here. Then you select screen. Once you select screen, you can see the black has been removed. The black background is no more there. So you can see that. So to move the lens flare, you can just click on this. Then you click on transform. So you can move this. You can move it from one place to another after clicking on transform. So you can see you can as well increase the image. So you can place this lens flare anywhere you desire putting it. So put it like this. So you can just click on this. So click on this. If you want to duplicate the layer, click on the layer you want to duplicate. Then you click on this plus icon. You click on duplicate layer. So the lens flare has been duplicated. So let's say we want to move the lens flare with duplicate. you can just click on the lens flare, then you click on this, you click on transform, then you can move the lens flare. So you can move the lens flare. So as you can see, that is just how you can add lens flare on your design in this Adobe Photoshop app. And the other way around you can use is by clicking on this. Once you click on this, you can see we have the lens flare. We have the lens flare option here. So click on the lens flare option. You can see there are different kind of lens flare option. We have the spot, we have autos, we have fantasy, we have DD, we have sunset. So you can reduce the intensity. You can reduce the scale. So I'll move it from one place to another. You can see this is another way around through which you can add nicely in this app. So you can see it is also good. So you can see how I've just add that into how I've just add this another means of adding nicely onto your design in this Adobe Photoshop app. So once you've done that, you can just click on done here, then click on save. So you can see our design has been saved. So to export the design now, just click on this export icon, then click on save to gallery. Once you click on save to gallery, change this to PNG, select the image you want to save, and then you click on OK. And then the image will be saved into our gallery now. So the image has been saved to our gallery. So that is just how you can add lens flare onto your video, onto your design rather. Please, if you find this video helpful, you find it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share across to your gravity sample who will also be interested in watching this video. Thanks for watching.